everyone, good morning. Nandito po tayo sa Kennedy Town along the water kasi andito na naman yung school ng alaga ko, and that's the bridge going to airport. You can see right here. Kennedy Town, dito sa dating bahay nila Tita